तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। So let us start now. Give example. Exercise C. First one. Transparent material. Any two you can write. Any two you can write. कोई भी दो लिख सकते हो. Air, clear glass. These are the example of transparent material. उसके अलावा भी लिख सकते हो. Clean water. Clean water भी लिख सकते हो. Understand everyone? Now second one. Translucent material. Translucent material. Butter paper, colored glass, dirty water, that you can write. कोई भी दो आप लिख सकते हो. I get message. I see message now. Very good, children. I have given the answer. Fine, good. Hetvi Pandit has some doubt. Okay, Hetvi, I will unmute you. Wait a minute. Hetvi Pandit. Okay, 1 minute, beta. हाँ बोलो बेटा Hetvi.
Sir, I have doubt that in filling the blanks you to do tomorrow, but I have network problem.
Tomorrow कैसे? Tomorrow नहीं किया था, yesterday किया था.
Yesterday. तो सर मेरा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम था ना, तो मुझे सिर्फ एक ही फिलिंग का ब्लैंक सुनाई दी. मटेरियल्स कैन बी लुमिनेंस और नॉन लुमिनेंस. और दूसरी
हाँ बेटा वो तो पीडीएफ में भेज दूंगा बेटा. हेलो
सर आपने भेजा ना इसलिए.
हाँ पीडीएफ आज भेजूंगा बेटा. आज करवा रहा हूँ ना वर्कशीट. यस कल तो एक एक्सरसाइज हुई थी ना बेटा.
हाँ तो सर हम C1 मैंने कर लिया. थर्ड वन में पहुँचे.
हाँ C1 में थर्ड वन पहुँचे. ओके
ओके थैंक यू सर.
वेलकम बेटा. So now we move to the third one. Everyone be ready. Opaque material. You can write any two. Wood door, mirror, right? You can write any two. Table, chair, right? Tree. Sure, there are so many examples. You can write any two. Okay. Now we move for the classify the following. Exercise D. Classify the following according to type of material. तो ट्रांसपेरेंट में आएगा clear glass and clean water. That already I get from one of the boy. Stroke Adroja, very good. Keep it up. Clear glass and clean water. Fine. Then translucent में कौन से मटेरियल आएंगे जो आपको ब्रैकेट में दिए गए हैं. तो colored glass, dirty water and paper rubbed with oil, that will come in translucent. Next, opaque. Opaque में wood and mirror. That also sent by the students, some of the students. Very good, keep it up. Opaque में once again I said wood and mirror. That is the correct answer. Now we move for the short question answer. Janil Bopalia, frequently doing message you can send PDF तो भेजते ही है भाई बेटा, हाँ? जनीन बोपलिया भेजते ही है. Thank you Yana for your wishes beta. Now we move for the short question answer. Netri Maso, 1 minute beta. Netri, I will unmute you. Wait a minute. Find you and then unmute you. हाँ बेटा नेत्री बोलिए. बोलो नेत्री. नेत्री Maso. We not heard any voice from Netri.
Accepted.
Netri, are you there? I unmute you. Okay. I would like to unmute Shloka Agrawal. We have a word with.
सर आपने फादर डे का कार्ड का किया था, आपने ग्रुप ही ओपन नहीं किया.
ग्रुप ओपन किया था बेटा मैंने.
सर
1 बजे से लेके 1 o'clock से लेके 1:20 तक. 1 o'clock से लेके 1 मिनट नहीं 3. 1 o'clock से लेके 1:20 तक ओपन किया था मैंने. But no one sent. That's why. Okay, that doesn't matter. Short question answer. First one. On what basis can the material be grouped? कौन से बेस पर मटेरियल्स को ग्रुप में
सर आई हैव
डिवाइड किया
डाउट.
गया है? कौन बोल रहे हैं?
सर आई एम
व्हाट्स योर नेम बेटा? नेत्री बोलिए बेटा.
नेत्री.
बोलो
What
बोलो
is
बेटा.
meaning of pulley? Sir, what is
Pulley,
meaning of
Jetta?
pulley?
Pulley is the type of a simple machine. Pulley is a type of simple machine. Understand?
Okay,
Netri?
thanks sir. हाँ okay.
Welcome.
Unmuted.
Any one of you for answer? I would like to unmute any one of you. Sia Patel. Sia, please, what's your answer about this question? I repeat the question. On what basis can the material be grouped?
Okay, sir. I can tell. Sir, 1 minute. Sir, I don't know.
Is there here?
Yes, sir, I don't
Okay.
know.
I will ask. Okay. I will ask to another children. Any one of you? Om Kakasanya. What's your answer about this question?
Different material allow different amount of light to pass through them. Material can be grouped based on the amount of light they allow to pass through them.
अच्छा, तो वहां से चालू करना है. Materials can be grouped based on the amount of light they allow to pass through them. That is the answer. Okay, your answer is right. Keep it up. Fine. Good. Again, I repeat the answer. Please listen carefully, everyone. Materials can be grouped based on the amount of light they allow to pass through them. Right? Okay. Now we move for the second question. Are you all ready? Okay. Let us move. For the second one, which size of the shadows are formed in morning and in the evening? I would like to unmute any one of you. I would like to unmute Alifia Joint. Alifia Joint. I repeat the question. Which size of the shadows are formed in morning and in the evening? Alifia Joint, you are there, please. I already unmute you. What's your answer? Okay. I would like to unmute another children now. Mahi Sheta. Please tell your answer.
Yes,
What's your
sir.
answer?
Sir, please repeat the question. Your
That
voice
is
was
second
cutting.
question. Second question of worksheet. Did you see?
Wait a minute, sir.
Which size of the shadows are formed in morning and in the evening?
In morning, the shadow is shorter than evening because in
In morning
evening,
shorter.
sun is in
morning में
dark
shorter
side.
कैसे हुआ?
In morning, no sir, in morning longer because sun is at upside.
Morning and
And
evening
in evening,
long
when sun is setting, so the sun is at dark side. So a shadow forms shorter.
At the noon, you see the page number 154. Page number 154. There is clearly indicated, first paragraph and last line, shadows formed by the sun are long during early morning and evening. At the evening or morning में बड़ा होता है and shortest at noon. You should write shadows formed by the sun are long during morning and evening. क्योंकि आपको ओनली मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग का ही पूछा हुआ है. ओके एवरीवन. Yes. Do you all understand? Please confirm. The ink question already written, and you have already worksheet, right? Now third question. Name the factors which affect the size of the shadow. कौन कौन से फैक्टर अफेक्ट करते हैं शेडो की साइज के ऊपर? So I would like to unmute any one of you. You have to give answer. Kavya Bhuva. Okay, Kavya Bhuva.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बोलिए बेटा.
The side of the shadow. A shadow is. Wait, sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, 1 minute. You wait. Kavya Bhuva, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then tell your answer, beta. It
Yes,
doesn't
sir.
matter. Wrong हुआ तो भी कोई problem नहीं.
A shadow is black even when the object of an other color. A shadow shows only
No,
the
beta, this
shape
is
of-
wrong answer. This is wrong answer. साइज के बारे में पूछा है. तो प्लीज सी पेज नंबर 153, लास्ट पॉइंट.
The size of a shadow depends on the distance between the object and the source of light.
हाँ, उसके आगे it also depends
Also depends on the distance between the object and the surface where it forms. Shadows formed by the sun
वेरी
are
गुड. बस इतना ही है फॉर्म तक ही, बस इतना ही है.
Okay.
राइट.
Okay.
सो यू अंडरस्टैंड बेटा?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Fine. So I repeat again, the size of a shadow depends on the distance between the object and the source of light. It also depends on the distance between the object and the surface where it is formed. This is the answer. Do you all understand? Please confirm on chat, and then we move. Okay, I see Panara Hasti. Okay, Panara Hasti, I unmute you. Panara Hasti. Wait a minute. हाँ बोलिए बेटा.
सर
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
सर वो हमने क्विज वाली देखी.
क्या बोल रहे हैं? कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. आपको आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रही. क्विजरी, हाँ उसका रिजल्ट रेडी हो रहा है. हाँ वो भेज देंगे आपको बेटा.
Sir, what is the answer?
दो आवाज आ रहे हैं. कोई दूसरा भी बोल रहा है.
Sir, I short answers.
फिर से बोलो बेटा, आपका आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रहा.
Exercise A में
What
short
you say?
question.
एक्सरसाइज ए में कौन सा एक्सरसाइज है? वर्कशीट का बोल रहे हो या टेक्स्ट बुक का बोल रहे हो?
वर्कशीट का.
हैं? वर्कशीट का तो हार्ड वर्ड्स है एक्सरसाइज ए में.
सर मैं एक्सरसाइज ई क्वेश्चन आंसर
ई का बोलो, ठीक है. बोलो क्या?
फर्स्ट वन मेरा
बोलो बेटा।
बाकी रह गया।
हाँ तो वो अगेन आई रिपीट, आई विल सेंड PDF, so you can write. Okay, again I repeat the first question answer both. The question is, on what basis can the material be grouped? Listen, answer carefully. Materials can be grouped based on the amount of light they allow to pass through them. That is the answer. Understand, Panara?
Sir.
Okay. So let us move to, let's apply and let's analyze of chapter number 12, page number 158. 158. Please open. Everyone, please open page number 158. Let's apply logical type question answer. Have you opened, everyone? Please confirm to me on chat. Everyone. Okay, fine. So we move for the, ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है ये लॉजिकल टाइप के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है, and that is very important. Here we go now. First one. Anil is holding a clear plastic bag in the sun. His shadow does not show that he is holding something in his hand. Why? I repeat again the question. Anil is holding a clear plastic bag in the sun. His shadow does not show that he is holding something in his hand. Why? Okay. Here I said the answer. You, all of you, listen carefully. Because clear plastic is transparent material and all the light pass through it. So, again I repeat the answer. Because clear plastic is transparent material and we know that all the light pass through the transparent material. So, understand everyone? Everyone, understand this? Everyone, you? Do you all understand? I see now chat. One girl, Sia Patel. Okay, Sia, I am with you. Sia Patel. Yes, Sia. बोलो बेटा.
सर मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि हमारा एक बच्चे हमारा क्लास खत्म हुए तब आप वो व्हाट्सएप आप खुला रख सकते हो तो हम भेज दें.
बेटा कल इस बहुत सारे वो माही श्वेता वगैरह का आया था, वो जितना मेरे को आया था वो मैंने भेज दिया. ओके बेटा.
तो सर आप खुला
तो
रखो दे मैं.
हाँ तो मैं मेरे को आपको लिंक करना, मैं ओपन कर दूंगा वो. बट मैंने कल
वरना सर
ओपन
आपको
रखा था.
ओपन ना करना है ना तो आपको ओपन ना करना है ना तो मैं आपको भेज दूँ, आप न्यू रिपब्लिक के में भेज देना, मैं आपको भेज दूंगी.
ठीक है, ठीक. ओके ओके.
सर मैं आपको भेजूँ तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं ना?
नहीं बेटा, कोई
सर आप फिर उधर भेज देना, हाँ, भूल मत जाना।
हाँ हाँ भेज दिया गया, जिसका आया था उसको तब तक भेज लेते।
यस यस सर, मैं आपको भेज दूंगी, नो
So
प्रॉब्लम ना।
first answer we have done.
थैंक यू
No, no.
सर।
Now, okay, welcome. So we move now to the second. Let's apply question. Here we go now. Changing color of opaque objects does not change the color of their shadows. Will the shadow become colorful if we place an opaque object in colorful light? Opaque object हम रखेंगे और कलरफुल लाइट में रखेंगे तो क्या ये हो सकता है?
सर
नो, द आंसर इज नो। कौन बोल रहा है?
सर मैं सैया बोल रही हूँ, मैं कभी भी भेजू तो मैं चलेगा, कभी भी मैं भेजू तो शाम
हाँ।
तो।
हाँ भेजना।
ओके 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 सर, बाय।
So the answer is no. Shadow is always black in colorful light also. Understand everyone? Please. Do you all understand? Yes, Mahi, I have sent already. Whatever you send your card of on Father's Day, that I have sent better. Now let's analyze and evaluate. First one. Be ready, everyone.
हेलो सर। हेलो सर।
We have completed. Let's apply, let's analyze and evaluate. We will do. There is some technical fault, so that's why.
बाय।
So let's analyze and evaluate. We will do tomorrow. यहाँ तक रखते हैं. I will send a PDF to you. Sure. All of you. Nice to meet you, all of you. Take care.
सर मैं आपको